Hitting the mark with off target. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll be diving into an interesting English phrase, off target. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but you'll also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, off target, can be understood by breaking it down. The word, off, often implies being away from or not aligned with something, and target generally refers to a goal or an aim. When something is off target, it's essentially not hitting or meeting the intended goal. Now, while off target can be used in a literal sense, like when an arrow misses the bullseye in archery, it's also frequently used in more figurative contexts. For instance, if someone's prediction or guess about something was incorrect, they might admit, "I was off target with that assumption." To ensure you grasp the phrase fully, let's go over some example sentences. 1. The soccer player's shot was off target, and it missed the goal. 2. Her estimate for the project's completion was off target. It took an extra month. 3. The sales team's efforts were off target this quarter, so they didn't reach their quota. Understanding synonyms can also help you grasp the meaning. Some synonyms for off target include astray, wide of the mark, off the mark. So, the next time you're discussing something that didn't quite hit the intended mark, whether it's a missed goal in a game or a prediction that didn't pan out, you'll know that it was off target. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this phrase. Remember, English is filled with such colorful expressions, and the more you learn, the richer your conversations will be. Happy learning!